This rudiment is sort of like an abbreviation of the previous one. Instead of doing your shuffle, step, heel plus 7 step heels, you are going to do your shuffle, step, heel with 3 step heels. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. So you're going to do a shuffle and then 3 step heels. So that's going to go shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Very often this is done traveling just like the last one. So you would do that one, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. It's up to you whether you want to travel or not. Let's do this again with the counts. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Okay. Let's go one more time. Let's just kind of do a bunch of them. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Five, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel.